Today's video is going to be 5 tips for using your Keurig coffee maker. Tip number 1 is to replace your water filter cartridges regularly. I do this about every 2 months, and this helps keep the water clean and also helps keep the inside of the machine clean. If you need a detailed video on how to do that, I'll have one of those linked in the description. The second tip is to descale. That takes all the buildup that's on the heating element from the inside the machine and helps remove that off the heating element. And you can do that with either the Keurig descaling solution or regular household vinegar. I also have a video on that I'll link in the description, and will probably see an annotation up above. Moving on to the third tip, use reusable K-cups. This one here, you fill up with your favorite coffee and you reuse it so you're not having so much waste, and you get the coffee flavor that you want. The fourth tip is use the timer and auto off feature on your Keurig. If you go into the settings and you set the auto off for, I have mine set for 2 hours. That way, if you ever use your Keurig in the middle of the day and you forget to leave it or forget to turn it off, it shuts off automatically, so you're not heating that water inside there all day using all that electricity. Go ahead and have it shut off, and it preserves the life of your Keurig. Tip number 5 is to use the Keurig for items other than coffee. It makes wonderfully hot water, so use it to make things like instant oatmeal or a cup of noodles. With little ones in the house, we're always in a hurry, and this helps save a lot of time and space, so we don't have to have a teapot or use a pot of boiling water to make quick meals. A bonus tip would be to just keep it generally clean. Wipe it down, the inside, the outside, regularly. The more you do that, the better your coffee tastes, and the less chance of any kind of buildup of mildew or fungus or something like that on there. Like I said earlier, I have videos on how to keep your Keurig running smooth and clean. I'll link those in below, and hopefully you had a wonderful day, and take care. Okay, I'm going to go through the menu real quick so you can see the auto off setting. So you hit menu and you go down to auto off. I have mine set for 2 hours. If you want to change that, you can press one of these side buttons. I like the 2-hour feature because sometimes if you have company over, you want to do maybe more than 1 cup of coffee and have it shut off automatically. So 2 hours is good. Then you hit the menu button back to the main screen. Bonus tip, set your brew size. As you can see here, I have mine set to the second to smallest. It makes a stronger cup of coffee. If it's less water, and you get more potency out of the coffee grounds. Okay.